magoro nkia umurigererwe getaseni kya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bo mugusingwe na litkoria ondigenderete ko bali terero kegima nane no genderete kwego kya aso ko bwatia emeroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV nabo obwansu bo mugusi ekerobono lireri tkori nene ryo moyega bwatani bege Islam uyo manyikanite buna ildi ase aba Islam korwase Chinsemo au babeire bawe sokya eriyo gochengera omuyegoyo nane ko boria serikali bunanko bainyorere ase meroberio au ya serikali nekerbono twarore buna aba bwatani obedini ya Islam korwase county ya Nandi na barabwa sensemo yabo bamburirie omona chebino monene Mother Kome kwene kya bunanko inyorare ebigambero anene ase county ya Nandi na kobiari bagari tangani ase okorwa bokorera borobu yago cyase abananchi nechinga kichinge bonekero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona magoroba ekerongo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia eriongo manyibuna naraya na kwariganire asenchera ereyo bwenge nyorobuna sensemere ya Facebook na bakogendera gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asumutandao Twitter na bako tweetwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase kerengerero kyao na bugusanga ntwetera ase namba era ase screen yao eri otogendere gusanga na boigo kwemanyia amange eri teriane Everlyne osere kero tokubwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwene kyao ikeira sensemo yebimanyerero sanga ntwikomerio Kwari antoya jake asenchera ereyo bwenge awase serikali ya boriwe kwene kyabuna ngoligereriere bwikiranu engana yemesara yabakore mirimo asensemo yobochenu erioko bachinga kichinyororo asogwikirania obokoreri borobu yago cyase abananchi ayangorengana no muriki wobokoreri which county ase county ya Kisii chotundo oyotebire buna abanyagatari ngo bawetera chinga kingongu na barabwomba bwate amaganyo ali ababwenerete gwikirania ase chiamate cyabo naboigo asama imabo na igo nigo bwente koligereriwa nemesara yabo wakanwa ase chinga kichiwenerete naboigo wakanwa asenchera ereyo bwikiranu nyoro mwancho muligereri anigago cha chinga kiyaba koremeremo bose ubuteneri bwe abakolemero b'inyagetari ase kyombekeri ya KMPDU abagenderete kogosereria buna nigo bawo cyakogenda umugiro askere bago teba buna magani yabo tarigo ikiraniwa kubwatkana no koiwana kolia babete bakubeka.
That is long overdue. So what I'm asking the Longobolia Parliament. The Valigiria Mangana Valigiria health. In the solution once and for all. And into what the problem in it, employment, your doctors. Korea is sitting in most counties, Karabaku go employ doctors. What they are doing, Baku employ clinic officers by employing nurses. If you have doctors, it will be expensive. So for that reason, will solve the problem with chance. So we do an unhealthy commission. That is the one that can help us. So Parliament, we are looking unto you to ensure that problems to the county government is supposed to shulika na mangano kupeana equipment o ensure ngabarule amaryogo and various.
Omokonyi bwo murai wense rigathiga shawa nigo aganirie aba MCA korwase chiwodi au ase orogongo rwa Mount Kenya gati yabo korwase nsemo ya Kiambu Muranga Kirinyaga Nyandarua na Boigonyeri kweneke bunango beka bare amachiko amatingu yokorwania ebinyugwa byogotindia ase ensemeyo eniga yakwa nachinga kuya umirana na aba MCA ase county ya Nyeri asikere aterebuna ebinyugwa byogotindia byarokanire comment kana ase kerengo kegoro ebyanene byeirire none nabasaye weswanania ase obusaria bwechingenjo au naboigo koirera abanke babo gosiria amagima nakorengana ne serikali wetrase wizara y'oburendi nigo yaberege kwenekia abuna kubwatkana nobo tukigosobonya byobotindo bwabere wokorokana ase Chinsemecho asegeka kemetienyi etato yaitire nigo amaruchilita wetanie milioni ya $1.5 na ibere abeire kago iterwa chinga kyabara yabo babere bakubori wako bamaiso.
And all of us have is the same concern these leaders have. And we are really discussing with them on how we can make uniform laws across the 5 counties to come up with very stringent rules and regulations to regulate the sale of alcohol, the issues of drugs, and you need to come up with very stringent penalties to act as a deterrent to this sector. We are concerned as the leaders from this region and for the whole country, really, that if we don't intervene, we can lose an entire generation. The situation in central Kenya and the rest of the country is worrisome. And we want to explain that why we have started here is because from the statistics from NACADA, this area is worse hit at 14%. Once we succeed here, and we must succeed, we'll use the interventions here as a model for the rest of the country.
Abara ikoru ase kiama kia Jubilee nigo bagenderete gukwanira iguru yobuteneri nabo igo obokoreri ase kiame kyo bakorawa n'umuteneri bwe kiame kyo Jeremiah Kioni niganene barokanire komomo chia Sabina Chege uyobetega kwerusania ase kiame kyo nagoso ase obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza ase keria bateruna nigo barachi kogendera goterena goseba goterena bokongu nakwene kyabuna kiame kyo kyagendereire eryo gwikirania obokoreri.
To tell you that because we want to see fairness in the party, we organized for an NDC and we advertised it in the papers. The NDC was to take place on the 24th and 25th of March. They went to court to block our holding of the NDC. Kama kweli wako na ukweli, ya nini wanaogopa umati wa watu? Siwaje mbele ya watu tufanye uchaguzi tusafishe nini chama. The letter that came from the lawyer is here, dated 6th March 2013. That's the date we received it. It was written on the 3rd of March 2023, and they went ahead and we were told that we cannot hold the NDC because they objected to it. So kama unakataa pahali watu ambao we want to subject ourselves to the NDC so that they can say they have confidence or no confidence, because we are only trying to do what is right. And finally, this team led by this guy about to be sent to Yara. Look at the irony of this. Kanini is enjoying nomination from Jubilee Party. It is on the nomination a letter I wrote to National Assembly that he was given an opportunity to represent us at Yara. He is already a beneficiary of the sweat of those people who fought for the party. He is now gone to the other side to kill what is left for these people. Sabina, who could not even present herself even for an MCA seat in Muranga, we gave her that.
Ababwatani ikoru ase kiama kia UPA nigo basangirikana ase chiabis chabo imemo cho Nairobi bunenchire yemo yo kubachora abaraya baya abo barachie kora emeroberio ye kiamekyo ase amatuko arebosio. Oburoire bweri sabeso gose kolera nigo bwabeire bokoine kiwa ase kaunti ya Siaya ase entunde ntangani eye magega yo murairo yo mo konyorekana nabwo magega yo korokia ebimanyererio ase semo ya manywanda yogendrete konyora obobwenya koregana nabo busoboche nikuru ase nseme yo nigo batebire buna ine sentunde ntangani oborero bwabeire bokoine kiwa ase nseme yo gento batere nambe ariganiti boikiranu erio koruania oburoiro bwo.
The patient was received in our facility 3 days ago and of course had all the symptoms of cholera, and the most important is that the patient has been managed, controlled. We have all the necessary commodities on the ground, and that this case is alive and there is no cause for alarm.
Ekiombe ky'ababwatani ase sekta y'obwagachi bw'ekinyumbani go baruro kuboria gukobeka emiroberio y'obutumiki bw'echinchera chekerero arene asokorikia abantu nabo igo kurwa bokoreri bwa mangana ya maremo eriogokeania obunereria nabo igo bongainereria obwabere bokoenekiwa ase amangana y'oburimo nigababwatani abo bachakire omuroberio obwo gotukabanya kiomba baya ase nonya nabo barbeite birumnani go bauchakorosie getaseni chikwenekia gusego konya ase ogokoro butuki kobwatkana n'obungainereria obwo bwabere bokoenekiwa.
As we stand here, we represent the aspiration of many hardworking Kenyans in this journey of land and home ownership. It is a journey that in the past has been marred by challenges, but we are glad to see that the solution is at hand. The real estate sector is a major contributor to a country GDP, offering millions of jobs directly and indirectly, and contributing to over 40% of diaspora remittances.
And right now it's contributing a tune of 250 billion Kenya shillings in our GDP. That's a great substantial amount, not to ignore. We saw the increase of CGT, that is capital gain tax, from 5% to 15%. Why can't we get it at least at 7%? That's a proposal. We were not even consulted, and that's why we are here, so that we can be a force that can be consulted, even when such laws or policies are being made or are being passed, either by the executive or by the legislative arm.
Ekiombe kia National Anti-Doping Steering Committee nigo kia watwetoro watirwa borotangani korwa mwaka gorwa omutienyo 12 umwaka w'echibibere na 2022 awika omutienyo gatatu omwaka w'echibibere na 2023 asibo igo committee eyo yabeire gekorosie bikundi ebyo birabikogendereria omuroberio yokoenekia obokoreri ause kuorokia nekyo obokoreri bogenderete koenekiwa ase ense ya Kenya.
That the resolutions that were passed during the stakeholders meeting in December come to fruition, so that we can be able to probably not eradicate, but to drastically minimize the instances of doping in the country, and especially in athletics.
Zero tolerance to doping is a war we cannot afford to lose. It is a war we must win by all means at any cost. Because we know that sports brands Kenya to a level you cannot compare to anything else.
Ense ya Kenya nense ya United States nigo chigenderete ne chingwana echo chasoire asentunda ya kabere achiokoenekia buna obwa matobu ya bwabere bokoenekiwa anene ase amangana yobonchoreria chingwana echo nigo chachagete umwaka w'echibibere ase omwaziri Moses Kuria mwaziri bamwana yobonchoreria Moses Kuria berega koenekia buna nigo bagenderete gukora chingwana echo ri uchikoenekia buna amangana yobonchorera nabo igo obwa matobu ya bwabere ugotingiwa egatie Chinsa chibere munenchiremo yowekonya ase okwegendereria nabo igo wekinya.
Of the 13 areas, we are making very, very good progress, and we can say that all is well. What is the importance of this agreement that we are negotiating with the US? It is very important that we make steps that are going to signal to US investors about the Kenyan investment climate. And as you saw earlier this month, during the AmCham, or late last month, when we had the AmCham conference,
Ekiombe kigetenenerete oborimi bw'echae ya Kenya Tea Development Authority KTDA wetrase aba director nigo bachakire gukora chingwana n'ababwatani bekemerie ekyo abo baraba abarimi bekemerie chae igoro yemeroberio au eyerengete koreta amaunchurerio ase sector yo anigachire chinga kitwarore na abarimi bekemerie chae niganene babere bakwemurungania ko bwatkana ne chibesa chiri bakonyora semisara akorengana nekiro asensemo yemesara nabo igo bonus nabono nigo kiombe kyo kyachakire meroberio yoko eneke buna chingwana chiabene ngokorwa chire nakobeke merobere saine yokoreta amaunchererio eriyo gokonya baremi wekinya sector yo.
Acknowledge the efforts by the national government to tame illicit. The campaign, spearheaded by the Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, is a welcome move because we believe it promotes public participation and the involvement of all stakeholders in tackling the menace. The communique issued last Friday provides a structured approach to deal with the alcohol abuse menace.
Kwikirega bano mwancho muligere nongo korera Amayia ye Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yo bwenge mbya muna sogochora ko bananje nambya muna sogochora ko bwate miroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bw'umugsi korinde nyorage koragense yemo nabo igo Chinsa sato ayamuna yanda mangino chike nyora asenchera yo bwikiranu nere Vincent Onyancha nabo iga sense meri chigosorio chikomera na nerende mo Stephen eri akumanye munage ndrete korekana ase Chinsa mo au bano mwancho muligere gendra ko bwate miroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwansu wo Gusii ekerongo kwenyora buna sensemere ya Facebook nigora tunyarwetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo tweetwetra @Ndizi TV News bayibana bogo sange kerengerero kyao osego tomali borira wetra se namba erase screen gabu no wakabere na nche Everlyne Osero kero twabwatrana nere Joshua Auta kwene kyawe keira sensemo imenyerero nere Abigail Nyanchama oyone kyabuna chipicha neriogi kyawe keire asenchira yabene twaro buligere boro bya semiroberi yonsi nabaigo emagoroba erentoyereru.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu bw'umugusii ine ayeno monya buchiyanga chia mitumba chirie chia bana na boiga bantabanene na nigo tagitego chinyo